Hey everybody, it's Alan the Eagle, and welcome to Bargain Bird, the first TV program where you get a word from a bird about the bargains that you can find. That's a new intro, the other one was too long. We're going to be talking about another kitchen appliance, that's why we're in the lovely Adler the Eagle test kitchen, otherwise known as my normal kitchen. Everything's a test in the Adler the Eagle kitchen. So I found this lovely device at, again, Ollie's Bargain Outlet. We got the Pogo Whisk. It doesn't like to stand up very well. So I got the Pogo Whisk at Ollie's Bargain Outlet, a whopping $3.99. It says that each push on the handle spins the head 4 times. All right, so we're gonna open it. I got my knife again. This is the knife. Danger. Okay. Oh, there was nothing else in it. There we go. Oh, I like that it's purple. Take the knife and move it. You made the toaster oven ding. Alright, so this is the Pogo Whisk. I don't know how it works, to be completely honest. This is the head that spins 4 times per pump, and this is the purple handle. That's all I know so far. Oh! How did that work? Where did the... Must go up in here. Ooh, that's Pogo. Pogo action. Listen up, class. Today we have the Pogo Whisk, and we will be using it to whisk up some delicious things. So we have our bowl, and obviously one of the main things that you whisks are eggs. That worked way better than I expected it to. So we're gonna take the whisk and put it in. I'm honestly kind of scared. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, yeah! All right, that's gross. Teacher, listen up, ding, ding, ding. Do we have more eggs?
More eggs.
We got more eggs. We're gonna put more eggs in now. Also, I know this is kind of morbid for me being a bird. I just realized, like, some people might be like, this is kind of weird. I'm not gonna lie. It is kind of weird. Stuff on the ground. I broke it. Well.
Oh gosh.
That did crack. Okay, yeah, I've spilled a little bit. We spilled one over here. Oh. 3, 2, 1, Pogo! You know, I will say, it's almost too powerful. Like, look, like, it spilt some. I think we need to test some other things that we can poke, like actual things you can eat, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so next, we're gonna make something that you can actually eat here on Bargain Bird, which is gonna be delicious chocolate mousse. So first we need the chocolate chip. Alright, and then next we need the milk. It's not milk, it's heavy whipping cream. Okay, and then last we need some flavoring. So we're gonna use maple syrup. Because Canada and Nomad Complex or something like that, right? Right. Okay. First, we need to microwave these chocolate chips. How long do you microwave chocolate chips for? Alright, so while that's happening, we're gonna move that. We're gonna take this and pour it in here. All right, more time on that. I hate these. Does my hair still look good? Okay. So we're gonna start whisking this because I feel like it's gonna take a minute.
Stir it. No, stir it.
This is not as fun as the crank chop. Alright, and I think the chocolate is done now. Oh, hey! Scoop in some chocolate. I'm not lying, this is the scariest thing I've ever done. Oh!
Whoa. Oh gosh.
But I feel like spinning it like this was almost more effective. Like normal whisking. This motion is doing stuff, but it's like very stationary. That, I don't know what that looks like. Is it mousse or is it just weird? Alright, so I was gonna put this maple in there, but my hands are too big and I got chocolate on my fingers and I'm just over it. Since it's spooky Halloween season, we're gonna do some mad science with this beaker that I found. Wow, how nifty. So, here we have some weird goo that I bought at Payless. I mean the Science Depot. And we're gonna put it in here and we're gonna pogo whisk it and see what happens.
Oh dear.
Oh! Oh, got it. Pogo whisk in 3, 2, 1, go! It's just turning purple. It's just big purple blob now. Ew! 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 Oh, Pogo whisk is not happy about it. Not okay with it. Okay. Okay. Great. This is disgusting and it smells great. It kind of looks like weird jello. It smells so good! Like it's very appetizing and it makes me very uncomfortable. Ew!
Oh no.
Oh, it smells fruity. It looks fruity. Like some kind of weird thing your grandma like saw on Pinterest and was like, I'm gonna try to make this for Thanksgiving. It's so, the way it like, it's so good.
Stringy.
It's so stringy. Oh, it's just getting more thick as we go. Okay, alright, we're done with that. We're done with this. We're gonna move on to the final bargain now. Oh, it's so gross. Alright, so we've had some ups and downs with the Pogo Whisk, literally, because, like, it goes up and down. Also, it kind of stinks in some ways, and in some ways it's actually pretty good. But, we gotta get our bargains worth here on Bargain Bird. It's not a true bargain unless it can do some stuff with ramen. Obviously, the ramen is everywhere now. It got all over the table. Put the Pogo Whisk to the test. I think I bent it. Nope, we're good. There we go. Okay, cool. Alright, so we're gonna put it right in here. Alright, so let's go ahead. Wait a minute. I forgot the seasoning packet. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright, ready? In 3, 2, 1, Pogo! Guys, it worked so well! Look at all the ramen we made! Gonna be honest, I wasn't expecting that to happen, I was expecting to be able to do some sort of review, but it worked too well with the ramen. Pogo Whisk, I wouldn't really recommend it. It did really good with it did too good with the ramen, but it did not do very good with the mousse. The goo was weird, and the bubbles were okay, but the egg, it worked really well for the egg. Other than that, not a highly recommended tool. I don't know why you just wouldn't whisk it like that, so. Kind of looks like I got some cleaning to do, so thanks for watching Bargain Bird, and help someone smile today. Bye! Roomba! Roomba! Great.